explore the campaigns like performance max and lead generation, right? So last time we were trying to understand them, so but we couldn't launch it. Let's try doing that today. Okay. Okay. So for that, what we will do is just click on. So are you all following me, guys? Everybody, are you all following me? You all can see the screen as well, right? Yeah. Okay. So just click on the campaigns. Click on the campaigns. So do you all remember the various other campaigns which we have launched? Did anybody sign up an account and try launching these kinds of campaigns, which we have learned in the previous classes? Yeah. So performance max. Reach audience across all of Google with a single campaign. See how it works. Okay. So basically, what is that? All of that Google. Google is Google search, Google display, not reach. I'll tell you. Let us just select this option. We will get to see all of this. Yeah. Website traffic performance max to let it be like that. You can give a name of your choice. In case if you're promoting specific product, you can pick the respective names. Okay. So here the only two options left to explore are performance max and demand generation. Okay. So discovery, there is something called as discovery. Discovery is Google business listings, Google Maps, the Play Stores, Gmail, all this will be called as discovery. Showing ads on those kinds of platforms will be called as discovery. Search, shopping, discovery. Performance max is a combination of search, shopping, display, and discovery. If not display, at least the discovery. Okay. So it's a fancy name given for all those kinds of targeting. Okay. Performance max is there is no assurance that the performance is going to be amazing. Nothing as such. It's just combination of multiple kinds of campaign types of targeting such as search, shopping and Google discovery or just discovery. Right? Yeah. So you give a name of your choice and then click on continue. Here we have to select the account, merchant center account and then continue. See, performance max brings down the CPCs. CPCs, if you are going with only search, the competition for search is very high and CPCs can be very high. Okay, so basically it's not about high and low. As a performance marketer, as a digital marketer, as a AdWords expert, you should be focused on return on investment. How many sales are coming from the investment that you make? How much revenue you make from the campaign. That's what your focus should be, not about the cost per click. Okay. So performance max, mostly the conversions. Last time we were understanding the conversions and conversion values. Set a target cost per action option. CPA is cost per acquisition. So I'm not ready to invest more than 500 rupees or maybe not even 500 rupees. I'm not ready to invest more than 100 rupees to acquire one customer. Just click on next. So target region is India. Language by default in India it's English. In case if you are targeting searches in Hindi or Tamil or Kannada or Telugu, maybe you can pick the respective languages. Even so, if you want to tap in the searches happening in Telugu or Tamil or Hindi or any other language on Google, okay, just click on next. Okay, search generation. Okay, so automatically created assets, or you can pick more options from this. Okay. See, this is going to see based on your website. This is going to automatically pick in the web pages as well as the type of ads that have to be shown to the user. So I'll just read it for your convenience. Allow Google to help you create assets. What are these assets? Assets are nothing but, if you all could recall, they are ad copies. You can allow Google to help you generate assets for your ads using content from your landing page, domain, and ads. Final URL expansion uses the information of your website landing page to identify additional relevant search queries. Both of these settings may improve ad relevance and performance. So text assets use content from your landing page, domain and ads in combination with assets you provide directly, customers assets based on relevance. Final URL, if you choose to subdivide inventory in the next step, final URL expansion will only send traffic to the landing pages related to the campaign's product or inventory. So, see, basically you can create text assets like ad copies, how we were writing for the search campaigns. Okay, and you have to provide final, if you choose to subdivide inventory, the next step final URL expansion will only send traffic to the landing pages related to the campaign's product inventory. So you can pick a specific group of URLs for a campaign, right? So if you uncheck it, it randomly picks everything. There is no restriction. So this allows, picking this final URL option allows you to pick some group of URLs on which you can land the traffic. So text excerpts, what basically this is doing is based on the information on the landing pages, it automatically creates text every time based on the queries on Google. Just click on next. Yeah, Google will help you generate assets. See, if you don't want these assets, maybe you can manually fill in all the details. So it has already picked some product categories as well by itself. Final URL is the home page. Okay, what makes your product or service unique? Okay, we'll just, you can add anything that you want of your choice. Select pages to enhance and suggest images from. We have picked images. There is something else to be picked. For some reason, this generate assets is not working. Why is that not working? Maybe URL, change URL. Yeah, generate assets. Asset group 1, you can give any name to it of your choice. For now, I'm just leaving it as it is. All products can be picked. So now AI is writing titles and descriptions for you. Okay, so that's what is happening now. AI has already written some titles and descriptions. The performance max is your ads are shown on YouTube, Gmail, search, display. Where is it showing up? discover. So images it has not picked from the web page. So maybe we can manually pick the images from this place. Yeah, it has picked a few. Select all. Now you will get to see the images here. See, it's the same thing. There is no difference. The only difference is you are just picking. You're basically able to launch various kinds of ads through Performance Max. So previously we were launching all the ads individually, search ads separately, shopping ads separately. See now shopping ads, how shopping ads look like here. Shopping ads separately, display ads separately, right? Discover ads separately. Now this option is allowing you to launch various kinds of ads in one campaign times. Okay, so you can add more other options on the data like information. See, look at this ads at this point. Still, you can improvise this. You can add site links. You can add some videos as well. Okay, so right now we don't have any videos, or maybe we can pick from YouTube also. Yeah, are you all getting it? See now, I don't want to spend more time here writing titles for every ad copy headlines. So this has here has automatically created some titles, and I'm just going with those titles. If you want to customize these titles, you can customize to anything of your choice. Okay, so you can customize to the best ones. So same is the case with headlines. You can customize and write the best headlines. See, there was no AI back to a few years. We used to manually write everything: the headlines, the long headlines, the short headlines, the descriptions, the images. Also, images it was picking up from the website even back to a few years. Right now, it's all quite easy. So on top of this, you can improvise the titles and descriptions. It is already suggesting. If you think they are irrelevant, they are not really of good quality or not what you want to communicate, you can always change or modify this titles. Guys, everybody following right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just click on the next. You're almost done. So because and this part is a crucial thing. So now look at this again daily budget. Set a custom daily budget. I can pick this daily budget as just 500 rupees, and accordingly here weekly conversions, cost per conversion, weekly cost, everything will change. I'll just put it as 500 and right side 500 cost per conversion and weekly costs. So this is not correct. The conversions, it would have picked only the certain kinds of actions on the website and conversions, not necessarily sales. We have to pick the right conversions. Tracking has to be set properly for the ad accounts. Just click on next. Asset group, there is some issue. We have to fix that issue. There is some warning. Your campaign is ready to publish. Logo is missing here. That's why there is a issue reported in the asset groups. Logo. Could not find any logos. So we'll have to upload a logo here. So I think we are all done. This published campaign. If there are any issues still, it might show those issues. Okay, audience is an issue. So we haven't provided audience, which can be added later also, no problem. That's all, your campaign is published. Yeah, this is the one we have published now. Okay, these are all shopping campaigns. Shopping campaigns icon is something like this, performance maximum is something like this. Okay, so did you all get that? Okay, so I'll just take, so some of these campaigns were launched in the classes. So can anybody name which campaigns were launched in the class? I'll just pick some this April month. Yeah. Anybody here remembers which campaigns were launched in the class? Any of the campaigns here? Do you remember?
Prawn pickle,
Prawns pickle. Okay. Then what else?
Stella Vedillo South, I think. No.
This one, last one. Yeah. This is not
Yeah,
proper
and the
one.
chicken pickle too, I think.
Chicken pickle. Yeah. So they, look at this, the number of impressions and the number of clicks that you have achieved through this campaign and through this campaign. So now here, studying these metrics are very important. What are these impressions? Everybody know, I guess, already. The number of people seeing your ad is counted as impressions, and of which only 221 people have visited your website. That is 221 divided by 10,038 is your CTR, interaction rate. That is just 2.2 percentage. And what is the CPC? Average CPC is 2.24 rupees. If anybody sees the ads and clicks on it, Google is charging 2.24 rupees to Canada Foods. Okay, so conversion tracking, there is a mess. I guess the conversions are not passed here. Otherwise, it would have shown the conversions here. We'll look into that as well. Okay, so chicken pickle, same mutton pickle. So average CPC is lesser than that of mango pickle. Okay, so this CPC has to be brought down. So this product is expensive, and we make more margins if so, this product is sold. Even in this case. And now margins are very less for products something like this, and but then the marketing budget or investment is high comparatively. So now your work is not done. See, what you have to understand is here for what kind of keywords your ads are shown on Google. So always go to keywords, search terms. There will be two types, search keywords and search terms, for which ads are shown on the Google. Search terms are the terms for which ads are the terms used by people. Okay, so look at this. So how many keywords are there? So ads displayed for nearly 2000 keywords, 1979 keywords. Do you think all these keywords are of very good quality? Maybe not necessarily. So what we have to do is, so we have to download this data, we have to process and understand. Okay, so let's download a CSV file. It's downloading now. So this is another crucial work or the important thing that you have to take care of on your account. Okay. Yeah. So here you get to see lots of details about the type of keywords for which your ad is displaying. Let me just okay. See now look at this. The campaign's chicken pickle, but this is triggering ads for Jampani pickles. Jampani pickles is a brand. So a person who is searching Jampani pickles may not necessarily looking for chicken pickle. Could be anything, right? So Jampani pickles can be negative for your chicken pickle campaign. Via home food products, even this has been triggered by chicken pickle campaign. Naga meat pickle online. This is also not meat pickle. This is just chicken pickle. Meat can be anything. Chicken pickle delivery is relevant. Andhra pickles near me is being triggered by mango pickle. We are not bidding on Andhra pickles but just mango pickle. But Andhra pickles is getting triggered. Are you all understanding this? What is the issue? So these kinds of things, understanding these kinds of things is bit tricky for you. It's bit tricky, okay? But there will be completely irrelevant thing. I'll show it to you. That's when you will be able to understand better. Onion Wattal. Onion Wattal could be some onion fryum. But the campaign is, and let's assume this onion Wattal is not all solved by Candra Foods. And there is no point of showing ad for such terms, right? So what we will do is now, onion Wattal, what we can do is maybe I'll insert a new column here. Insert, I'll call it as negatives for, I'm just naming it as negatives for, and here negatives for Jampani pickles can be negative for chicken pickle mutton. Okay, I'll just put it as chicken pickle for now. Fia home food products, this can be negative for all the campaigns. Fia home food products, what is that showing for Fia home foods? What is Fia brand selling first? Yeah. See now you are not looking for. See now what is your campaign? Fia home food products. So this is getting triggered by your chicken pickle campaign impressions for, or maybe what we will do is data Z2A highest to lowest impressions. Because even before picking the product, some of the keywords that have got triggered. So Andhra pickles near the mango pickle. So I'll just copy Jampani pickles. Uh, all this can be negatives for chicken. Jampani pickles. This can be added exact negative as well as, okay, phrase should be fine. Phrase negative is fine. Fia home food products. Naga made pickle online. You can add negatives either in the bronze or exact or in the phrase match. So now Andhra pickles here is getting triggered by mango pickle. Mango pickle Andhra achar. Andhra pickles here. Mango pickle negatives. So this is mango pickles negative. Fia pickles online. This can be negative for this as well as for this. We don't know. We are just focusing on chicken pickle and mango pickle. Fia pickles online can be anything which this particular company may not be selling at all. Okay, or you can launch a separate campaign for such kinds of keywords. Andhra pickle online. Andhra pickle online. Even this can be negative for chicken pickle. Are you all understanding this? So now what we do is we create negatives lists. Impressions in recent. Onion Vatal is being triggered by Gummadikaya Vadiyalu. So I'll call this as Gummadikaya Vadiyalu negatives. Okay. Onion Vatal. Pickle order again. So the problem is now, if I am bidding this on phrase, if somebody is typing term like chicken pickle order, in those cases, it doesn't trigger. So it has to be added as negative in exact. It has to be negative in exact. Even this one has to be negative in exact. If somebody types mango andhra pickle online, your ads won't get triggered. Okay, so hence if people type Pia mango pickle online, your ads won't get triggered if you are putting it in a phrase match. So if you're adding negatives, add negatives in exact match. Do not prefer to add them in the phrase match until unless they are completely irrelevant. See, onion botan is completely irrelevant. Nobody would put a combination of two products, Gummadikaya and onion. Onion is different and pumpkin is different. This is pumpkin and this is onion. Nobody would put a combination of both, and hence I can add this as negative in broad. So chicken pickle Priya, let it be chicken pickle Flipkart. Find fish pickle in Mangalore. Where is fish pickle? For prawns pickle, now chicken pickle, fish pickle is negative. For prawns pickle negatives, I'll mark it as prawns pickle negatives. I'll put fish. That's all. No ads. Now even this term doesn't get triggered. Fish pickle in Mangalore doesn't get triggered. Non-veg pickles paradise. So curry leaves pickles south is triggering for non-veg pickles. So here another curry leaves negatives. Curry leaves negatives. So curry leaves campaign is triggering for terms like non-veg. So I'll add non-veg. I'll add chicken. I'll add mutton as negative. I'll add fish as negative. I'll add prawns as negative. I'll add mango as negative. I'll add tamarind as negative. I'll add so this is curry leaves, right? Tomato as negative. See, there are good chances that this curry leaves campaign can trigger ads for tomato also. Tomato pickle also. Curry leaves pickle also. Are you all understanding this? See, now I'll show it to you how we add this negatives. So let's go to the negative list on the account. I'll show it to you how to add this negatives. See, why are we doing these activities? We want to avoid the wastage as much possible. The campaign, which is defined to show ads only for chicken pickle, has to show ads only for chicken and not for something else. So what we will do now is we will go to the negatives list. So our list is full, still not 100% done. We have just added some. Okay. So here you see it's curry leaves negative. Yeah, curry leaves negative is there. Keywords, there are no keywords. I'm going to add them here. Yeah, I'll just click on plus. Okay, I'll enter all these keywords in broad match only, in the phrase match only. So this indicates, this is instructing my curly leaves campaign should never show ads for any keywords that contain any of these terms. Okay? Did you all get that? Okay. So curly leaves, I have added 9 keywords and it's applied to one campaign, which is the campaign is applied to curly leaves only. So is there any chicken negative here? Chicken no. Chicken pickle negatives. I'll call it as chicken pickle negatives. So through this, I'm instructing or telling do not show ads to any of these terms. chicken pickle campaign should not trigger for any of these terms. Andhra pickle online, chicken pickle, chicken Andhra pickle online. Maybe I'll add it to the exact. Via pickle online. This one also I'll add it to the exact. Save. Okay, the negatives list is created now. Where is the negative list? Chicken pickles negative. Six keywords are added, but to none of the campaign it's been applied. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll select this and I'll apply to campaigns. I'll apply this negatives to chicken pickle. Okay, just click on apply. Okay, so my this chicken pickle campaign can also restrict showing ads for my chicken pickle campaign can also restrict showing ads for various other terms like this. Let me go to the chicken pickles negative. I don't want to show ads for mutton, fish, prawns, so I can add them here. Okay. So not only this, I don't want this campaign to be showing ads for terms like mutton. I don't want this to be showing ads whenever there is a term fish. So now whenever a keyword contains any of these terms mentioned here, the ads won't appear. So if you go back to this data previously, chicken pickle campaign has triggered and shown for terms like Jampani pickles. And there are 57 impressions and 5 clicks. Okay. So did you all get that? How to add negatives? Veg pickles. Your chicken pickle campaign is triggering for terms like just veg pickles. So I can add veg pickle also negative. So just veg pickle. See if I'm adding it in the phrase match, it doesn't trigger for non-veg also. Maybe even non-veg can be added here because it's only chicken. I don't want to show ads for even for the non-veg. It has to show ads only for chicken pickle. When term contains chicken pickle, along with it anything can be there, and that's when the ads have to be displayed. Okay. Trigger the prawns only. So for this, what we will do is we can put a filter and understand better. So what I'll do here, I'll pick canned pickles. It's getting triggered. This is non-veg. This is chicken pickle is a non-veg pickle, but not all the non-veg pickles are shown on this page. Right? It's only chicken pickle. For non-veg pickles, there can be a separate can be. So eliminating showing ads for non-veg pickles can be actually a good thing. So via home foods, this got triggered several times via home foods. Maybe this can be. See, your chicken pickle campaign only got triggered for showing ads for via home foods, just online pickles. See, another problem is your ads will be shown for these keywords, but nobody will click because ad title quality score will be low. So I'll add non-veg pickles also. Are you all understanding this? What I'm doing here, everybody? So chicken pickle campaign has triggered ads for mutton pickle as well. Anyways, we have added mutton as negative already. Non-veg also is added. Non-veg pickles.
chicken.
See
So
now,
what are the pure?
yeah, I'll tell it to you. Okay. See, when people search for non-veg pickles, what is their expectation?
All the non-veg pickle,
When people search for
like
chicken pickle, what is their expectation?
only for chicken pickle.
Correct. It's so clear, right? See now, why do you want to show your chicken pickle for somebody who is may not be interested in chicken pickles but are interested in various other kinds of non-veg pickles? And moreover, what happens is here, let's assume even if you are driving six people, you are showing only chicken pickle on this page. One problem. Okay. The second thing is, see, the landing page experience is going to be worse. If you are bidding on non-veg pickles, you can land them separately on non-veg pickles page only, not on chicken pickles page. Correct. So now what happens is the keyword is non-veg pickles, but ad is showing as chicken pickle. People will not click. There will be a direct impact on CTR. If CTR is bad, your CPCs will increase, your quality score will drop. So it's going to be a negative. That's what I told sometime back. Chicken pickle is a non-veg pickle, but not all non-veg pickles expectation is not a chicken pickle expectation. When people use non-veg pickle, they expect everything to be sure, not just the chicken pickle. So the experience is worse actually. So for this, what you have to do is for non-veg pickles, launch a separate campaign called non-veg pickles and make sure that campaign triggers ads for all non-veg terms, non-veg pickles.
But so there is a possibility that can click for chicken pickle.
That can, I did not get you. Could you please repeat it again?
Uh,
There is a
if
possibility
we,
of they buying the
yeah,
chicken pickle also, right?
yeah,
When they put non-veg pickle,
yeah,
that's what your question is, right? Right?
yeah.
See now, when you are given opportunity, I have clearly told that let's assume an employer has clearly told that, so we are going to release an offer letter and we are going to take you 100% into the company. Okay. Okay, package is 20 lakhs per annum. Okay, employer 2 after attending the interview has told you that there is a possibility of we taking you in. Okay, so now to whom you are going to give importance, to one who has already concluded that you are in, or to the one who is giving it as a probability case, there are chances of you be getting hired? To whom you will give importance? See, when you are selling chicken pickle, give importance to chicken pickle terms. See, there is more opportunity. See, chicken pickle searches. Look at this chicken pickle. Chicken pickle is being searched this many number of times. Are you really grabbing all the clicks to your website? No. Then why do you want to waste on these terms? Another possibility is, another concern or issue here is, when people are searching chicken pickle and visiting your website, out of 100 people, 20 people are purchasing a pickle product from you. When you bid non-veg pickle and get 100 people to your website, only 2 people are purchasing chicken pickle. So now what is the cost incurred in getting one sale? It's significantly high, right? The return on investments are very low, correct? Are you all understanding this calculation? When you bid on chicken pickle and people land on your chicken pickle page, out of 100, 20 people are purchasing. But when you get the traffic from non-veg pickle to the chicken pickle page, out of 100 people, only 2 people are purchasing. So the cost incurred here is significantly high for a sale. Did you all get that? The conversion rates, it's not that these terms will not get the sales, they might get negligible sales, but conversion rates will be poor. If people are searching for this and landing on chicken pickle page, there are good chances out of 100 many people might purchase. Out of 100 people here, only 1 or 2 people might purchase. Is that clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So that's why you eliminate such terms. You launch a separate campaign called non-veg pickles and land them on a page which contains mutton pickle, chicken pickle, prawns pickle, or any other non-veg pickle. Then the experience is going to be good. So now you are showing 6 different types of pickles. He will purchase whichever is interesting for him, whichever is he looking for. If you are doing the other way around, you don't know which six pickles he likes. Out of the six, which one he likes, and but then you are showing only chicken pickle. That's wrong, right? That's a bad experience. The conversion rates will be very poor, and we don't want that to be happening. And hence, we are adding non-veg pickles. We are instructing to the chicken pickle campaign, boss, please don't show ads. Don't show a chicken pickle image when people are searching non-veg pickles online. For non-veg pickles, I'm giving responsibility to a different campaign which is called as non-veg pickles south. I'm going to launch such campaign and I'm going to instruct your responsibility is to show ads for all non-veg pickles. And in that campaign, maybe we might add chicken, mutton, and all as a negatives. Our main goal is to target all the non-veg pickles terms, and we are not sure which pickle they would buy from that term. Okay. So Japanese pickles are the same issue. See, Japanese pickles, they sell veg pickles, they sell non-veg pickles, and now you are getting a person who, a fickle-minded person, or a person who has not yet decided which pickle has to be buy, or probably he might be knowing what he has to buy, but then we don't know what he is looking for. And landing him on the chicken pickle page is very bad, right? He is allergic to non-veg. He don't want to buy any kind of non-veg pickles. Just because you are selling chicken pickle and this campaign is triggering ad for Japanese pickles, this person must be looking for mango pickle or tomato pickle, and you have landed them on chicken pickle page. He will quit immediately. And what is the loss incurred if he is clicking? See, five people have come to the website. 5 into 2 rupees, 10 rupees gone. 9.23 rupees is gone. 9 rupees or 10 rupees is wasted. Just because you got traffic from such terms. Okay, you all understood? Did you all get that, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So this way you have to do an activity and you have to add. See, launching campaigns is very easy. All of you can launch very easily. Okay. But working on all of these things, understanding what is relevant, what is it's so tricky to understand now why non-veg pickles is irrelevant. Correct. But finally you all understood. Correct. It all boils down to conversion rates. Person who is putting chicken pickle and landing, seeing the chicken pickle image and landing on the chicken pickle page, the chances of they buying the chicken pickle product is very high as compared to that of non-veg pickles. Correct? So it's something like this. See, now half of you in this class have decided that you have to do digital marketing course and you have come to Canra Digital. And now for you, so there are good chances of you all buying digital marketing course from Canra Digital. Okay. Another 50 percentage of them haven't decided what they should be taking, opting out of data science, Java, .NET, front-end development, back-end development. Okay. But Canva Digital is always providing only digital marketing course. Now, do you think the you will have same kind of sales? If they had come with a solid mindset that I have to do digital marketing course, probably they all would have opted for digital marketing course because Canva Digital is providing only digital marketing course. Now, another 50 percentage of them has no proper clarity of which course they should be opting. They are just searching for courses, register for a course online, and they come to Canva Digital, which is selling only one course. And how many can register for digital marketing course? On their mind, it must be Java, it must be .NET, it must be front-end development or graphic designing or UI UX or Stack or Snowflake or something else. Not even an individual might register, correct? Are you all understanding this example?
Yes, yes.
So instead of focusing on those 50 percentage, you focus on people who have already decided that they have to do digital marketing course. If you are a training institute delivering only digital marketing course, you just bring in people who have already decided digital marketing course. Now you cannot go on and get everybody who is researching for course online, correct? Do some random course. See, that's fine if you can get them as well if you are delivering all those courses from your side. Correct? You are doing only digital marketing. So treat it this way. You are selling only chicken pickle. This particular page, don't treat it as a website. On website, there could be multiple products. But what is the responsibility of this campaign? This campaign's responsibility is to sell only chicken pickle. Correct? Hence, see, it's not only that this page consists of images related to chicken pickle, price related to it, and this doesn't show up any other pickles on this page. Hence, it's good or right thing to show only for chicken pickle terms and not for Jampani pickles or non-veg pickles, right? Or maybe some other terms. Okay, I hope it's clear. See now online pickles. There's no point of showing for online pickles. If you can avoid triggering for search terms, your CTR will be very good. See now here 11 impressions, 0 clicks. See here also say 12 impressions, 0 clicks. So what is the point of you showing ads for something that's not related to you? You're simply showing when there is no CTR, there is a drop in quality score. You all remember right how CTR works? When people are seeing you and not clicking on your ad, your total overall campaign's performance will take a hit. That's why we have to be very careful with all of these things. Meat pickle as well, same thing. We don't know what is that they are looking for. Meat pickle, I'll just add this also in broad and this also in broad or maybe in exact, not broad. I'm adding it as a negative. Okay. Anybody has any questions? Is it clear for all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir. See, there are very simple. It's something like this. You just have to get into it. You cannot always listen to someone how to swim, right? You have to dive into the pool and you start swimming. So it's easy, actually easy. Okay. Until unless you start swimming, you will not understand it to the core. So my suggestion is create an account ads.google.com and start doing all of this by yourself. Okay. So in the next class, we will discuss about the lead generation. Lead generation is also almost, and there's no difference at all. Maybe let's see if there is any difference. At least we will do it at the very top level if we could. Click on this plus, new campaign, website traffic, yeah, demand generation. Demand, drive demand and conversions on YouTube, Discover and Gmail with image and video ads. So and even this is a subset of your performance max only. Just that search type is gone. Lead generation doesn't include search targeting, Google search, something like this. It doesn't include. So you see search ads, only ads. So this product only ads is mainly for accounts which has merchant center and linked with the Google ads. If you are any other business, let's say training institute, you could have gone with only these two options. This option is not available for training institute or service based company. Only for e-commerce businesses, product only ads is available. Otherwise, these two options: video and product ads, image and so image basically image ads or video ads. So it looks something like this. On YouTube, on all other discovery networks, only Google search. See, Discover is basically what is this? Discover all the apps, yeah, the Google Shopping campaign, the Gmail, the YouTube, Google Maps, Google Play Store. All this will be Discover. It's the same thing again. You just have to fill in these details and your ad goes like that's all. Okay. So anyways, we'll look into the leftover things in the coming classes. Okay. Is it clear for all of you? See, my request is please create an account ads.google.com and please try out all this. Okay. Yeah. So anybody has questions? We'll wind it up for today and we'll discuss the merchant center tomorrow. Once we are done with the merchant center, maybe we can discuss social media, email marketing. The majority of the syllabus is done. See, these are the most time-taking things. Google organic and performance marketing, the ads parts. Today is 16th, right? Mostly by end of this month, hopefully we should have it all covered. 90% or 95% of it, or everything should be possible. Yeah. Can we connect back tomorrow if no one has questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay.